Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create the Equalizer preset for your Marshall WOBURN III speaker. Możesz mi się nie... So, at first you have to... wait a moment. At first you have to scroll here to the equalizer, and here you can create your own preset. You can increase the treble, decrease the treble, increase the bass and decrease the bass. And you can do the same using this too, as you can see, sliders. Here we have maximum, as you can see, and now as you can see it works. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.